Hello everybody, today we are introducing to you guys our social enterprise. Hope you will enjoy. More and more elderly are in the society nowadays. This project hopes to help them in their retired lives. Moreover, it can also let their children have less stress taking care of them. Our main target is the elderly, and we hope to improve their lives as much as we can. We are striving to be a cheaper alternative to house nursing. By helping the elderly, their children don't have to stress taking care of them. Our business will also keep in touch with them for better communication. So we got a new idea is start your new retired life with our business, Healthcare. Healthcare teaches the elderly life skills after retiring so that they can help themselves and not bother their children at work. Moreover, Healthcare hopes to offer courses for the elderly to let them cope with retired lives. Healthcare establish connection with the elderly's families in order for them to monitor them anytime and reports monthly to the family the progress of the courses and their well-being. Our short-term goal is we hope that in 4 to 5 years, we hope the elderly can gain abilities and contribute to their families. We expect to at least help 500 families and continue to serve them for 7 years. Within 10 years, we hope to expand our business to other regions, especially in poor cities. After participating in the project, those elderly can help themselves and their children will not have to worry while working. But first, the most galling problem is human resources. We need many teachers that can tolerate teaching the elderly, and investments are surely large. Second, many similar businesses are already taking off nowadays, so we may have many competitors. We need to promote better and seek sponsorship. Therefore, we aim to achieve profitability within the first 6 to 7 years. Although it may be difficult, we believe we can survive in the support of the society. So our benefits from first to third year, we deficit our quantitative as most 20%, and in 4th to 6th year, we deficit at most 10%. In the 7th year, we hope our profit level starting at 5% and strive to raise by 5% each year, or 10%. And we hope less elderly will be considered useless and their families live happier lives with them. The best critic is often our customers, so we will give out surveys for them to evaluate our performance. If we can improve their lives living, then we consider it as a success. In the social media, we have to first appeal to the elderly's families, especially those who have busy lives. Therefore, social media is the fastest way to gain their attention, and we can talk to the elderly personally to appeal more and gain trust. Although this may be a long progress, it establishes a better bond between the customers and us.